Hello, nice to see you again. Here, in this video, you will learn how to manage the most simple step in this training material. However, it will greatly disrupt the data collection process if it is not properly organized before fieldwork is carried out. In addition, the step will be saving our time significantly when it is done well. The step is called preparing datasheets. The datasheet itself can be made by a waterproof paper which contains columns and rows for recording targeted parameters in a sampling plot. In this tutorial, we will show you what are the basic elements that should be included in the datasheet before mangrove community structure study. The sheet is a basic template or layout that can be modified depending on your needs. Before layouting datasheet, we should understand the basic parameters that must be recorded for the mangrove community structure study. The datasheet should contain basic information about the plot identity. First, time. When the data is collected, we can write down the day and date of data collection on the plot. Second, the location. Where data collection was carried out, what must be noted concerning the location is the name of the village, area, or island. Third, the strata code, which is written in Roman letters, and the plot number in this stratum. Fourth, information about the geographical position of the plot. This information includes the waypoint number recorded in the GPS containing longitude and latitude position of the plot. Finally, substrate description with 3 simple categories, such as substrates dominated by sand, called muddy sand, more dominated by mud, which is sandy mud, and a hard substrate, rocky sand, rubble sand. Furthermore, the datasheet should also accommodate the measured parameters in research activities. First, mangrove species and girth size of trunk at breast height measurement in centimeters, which are the main data needed to determine the mangrove community structure in the plot. In the recording, mangrove species can be written with an abbreviation consisting of the first letter of its genus and species. For example, Bruguiera gymnorrhiza, shortened to be BG. Rhizophora apiculata, becoming RA, and so on. Second, seedling species and number as an indicator of the regeneration rate of the mangrove community in the plot. The species name is also abbreviated while recording. Third, the main components for estimating mangrove community height. There are 2 main components to be noted, such as tree tip angle in degree and tree to man distance in meters. Where the angle is measured. Before measuring the height of the mangrove community, the eye height of the observer should be measured. Lastly, recorded rates, which are waste coverage category and number of cut wood. In this training, the percentage of waste cover is categorized into 5 categories, such as 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. The categories are estimated and documented in a whole plot. After understanding all of the parameters that should be recorded in research on mangrove community structure, we will immediately adjust the layout of the datasheet. At the beginning, prepare a clean white waterproof paper. Then, make columns and rows by following this layout. Datasheet layout can be modified depending on your passion, creation, and needs, but all of the parameters should be included. That is all of this tutorial for preparing a datasheet. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.